Hi everyone, it's me, Jenny again, and today we're reviewing Gucci Aphrodite bag. So, let me tell you a little story. So, I didn't buy this bag. It was a gift from my boyfriend. It was a birthday gift. Thank you, babe. I love you. But I love you more than just designer bags. But so it was completely a surprise, and girl, I am so touched because he just knew my style, and this bag says it's me. And I have to tell you, I think, you know, like right now I'm really like hooked. I'm so hooked on that whole old money look aesthetics, old money aesthetics right now, and this is exactly it. It's so beautiful. It has this like really antique-y, vintage look of logo. The metals are all brass, like a brushed brass, and I just love this. And I think it's so classic look, and I just wanted to share a few things because I noticed that not many people know much about it because it's still fairly new. So Gucci Aphrodite bag comes in multiple sizes. This is actually size small, and also comes with a couple of accessories. And main reason why he got me this bag is because it's so versatile. And this is the handle that actually came with. And then it actually came with two more things, which is the chain, and it's a shoulder strap for elongated crossbody strap bag. Because of my lifestyle and because, you know, I'm always running around, I just wanted one classic bag that I could carry everything, that's neutral, and it's timeless. And I definitely feel like this is really hitting the mark with a timeless look. Now, I have here from Gucci.com some of the information on this bag. So this is part of the 2023 Cruise Gucci Cosmogony collection and was presented by the backdrop of a history of Castel del Monte in Italy. And the aesthetic is about the geographics, and the new small crescent shape is inspired by the house's archives. Oh, that is so cute. So it has a lot of great history, and yet it looks modern. It's like an updated classic bag. And to say the least, this is a white soft leather. The actual color name is white leather. It's really great because of the texture on this bag. Also has pebble, and it's definitely not scratch proof, but I feel like you could kind of hide scratches with these like pebble leather. And the piping is really clean, neat, without it's just elegant. I think that's the word I would like to use, elegant. It definitely upgrades my style, and I think that's pretty impressive for me. This bag is made in Italy, and what he did for this order is that he ordered it online, and he had to pick up in the store and make sure that it was great before he actually picked up the package. Now today, I am actually going to do a bag fit check because I need to put a lot of stuff in my bag. So now I will show you how much could actually fit in this bag because I was pleasantly surprised. So there's actually two more straps that comes with. One is actually a chain, and the other is a longer strap. It took me a minute for a learning curve how to do this, but this is how you do it. So Gucci Aphrodite bag comes with two more accessories than this, which is the chain, ta-da, and extended strap. Now I'm gonna show you how to put it on. Let's start with the long strap extension. So all you need to do is go with already existing buckle, and then you're gonna unhook the buckle, right? And then you take the long strap buckle and you buckle it in whatever size that you would prefer to put in. Once that's done, you take it to the other side and you buckle it in. And voila, it becomes a long strap Gucci bag. Now you could also add this chain into an accessory. It's a clasp, so you put it in this way, And then you also put it in this way. But for fun, I've been just also carrying this as a main strap. So all you need to do is unbuckle these. These are a little harder to carry, but don't worry, you're not breaking the bag. And then you're gonna also unbutton the other side. And then you have a chain bag. Okay, so for the fit test, I thought I should show you what I actually carry on daily basis. And as you can see, I have a small bag, which I usually prefer carrying, and I have a lot of products that I have to carry on daily basis. And I want to show you how much Aphrodite bag actually fits so many things in here. So now, right now, it's empty. It has a pretty good opening to put everything. So we're gonna start with my Android phone and my iPhone, my tripod. It extends and it's really uncomfortable for me to use for filming on the go. Some sort of sun protection at all times for me. Of course, sanitizer, hand sanitizer is so important. And then I also have a habit of carrying a lip balm and a lipstick. So it could be versatile. And top of that, carry a little wallet. Now everything's inside and it's all fit in right in here. It's actually stacked in, but it's easy to find because of the wide opening mouth zipper. And I actually carry it like just like this with this chain with all the products inside. So what do you think about my new bag? Did you like it? Would you also buy it? Let me know in comment below of you think if this is a classic bag you would also like to carry. And if there's any other pieces of Gucci bags that I should check out with that elegant old money aesthetic style I should check out. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video gave you all the information that you need to know about Gucci Aphrodite bag, and so that you can make decision on purchasing for yourself or for your loved ones. This is not my usual norm. I don't usually go over luxury bags, but I thought it'd be fun to go over since I already got the bag. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up for this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for all other type of video, and just check out my videos. See you next time. Bye.